Welcome to another vlog! Hi mga mamshies and papshies! Welcome to another episode of our vlog. And for today's video, tayo nga ay mamamasyal na naman. Not technically mamamasyal.
It's boss!
So,
boss!
ihahatid natin tomorrow si Lian and Jubel sa airport. So, we're heading to Minneapolis!
Yes!
Samahan nyo kami at ipapasyal namin kayo doon kung saan man kami makarating. See ya!
Bye! Your big heart!
Pogi. Ayun na, hi Mamshi! Mamshi! Baby! Ay, hindi pala napindot.
Ano ba naman yan?
Nasaan ang noodles dun? Nilagyan niya ba? Nilagyan niya ng noodles na?
Oo, andito. Nauna yun.
Spicy yung sayo na.
Spicy bigfoot?
Ang kulay eh. Ang kulay halatang spicy. Oh.
Never.
Cute lang. Zion, say hi to the vlog. What do you have? Dirty daw. Dirty, sorry. Dirty. Bye! Masaya pa ang bata.
Happy pa siya. Happy pa. Before and after.
Welcome, Lian Pearl Buckley. Thank you for staying.
It's red.
Goodness.
It's going too faster.
Bye mga tita. Ano, bye na ikaw.
Look, look at me.
Z, babay na sa mga tita.
No, when you say bye-bye.
Eh, sasakay na sila sa plane.
What?
Nasama ka?
Yeah, on the plane.
Ha?
On plane.
Sko, wag naman.
School.
Ayan ang mga mamshi natin, nag-check-in na. See you in July. May malungkot na dito.
On April.
Ano siya? Sige, pupuntahan natin. Oo. Ha?
Let's go there snacks.
Malabo nga, nagbe-blur doon.
Gambot mo, yung dance.
Hi guys! So, naihatid na nga natin ang ating mga kaibigang oso. We're now heading to nakapag-check out na tayo. So, we're now heading to Egan Outlet Center. Yay! Mag-ula, hindi naman shopping. Magtitingin lang tayo ng mga stuff. Kung meron.
Dito na rin naman, di ba? Maglibang-libang ba?
Libang-libang na lang.
Correct.
Hi baby! You miss tita? Oh, lungkot ang baby namin sa pangsa sa mga friends namin. Anyway, samahan nyo kami. Bye! Ulang-ulan na sa outlet.
Bakit din ako tinuturo?
Ayun, may directory.
Ay, ito, mahal. Ito. Sige na. Oo, kakain.
Magama kong gala. Say hi!
Oh my God.
Tara na. At saka master. Ay, you're my bestie. Oh, baka matapon yan. Pauwi na ang mga taga Fargo. So, dito kami sa outlet. Twin Cities Premium Outlets pala. Yes, thank you so much.
Magkahawak ang ating kamay.
Golden hues around us, sun sinks low into the sea. Feel the breeze is so free now. Close your eyes, come with me. Palms sway in slow motion, stars are dancing in the sky. We ride waves of emotion, just you and I. Oh my, hold me close, don't let go. In this slow paradise flow, every beat pure and slow. Sunset dreams, you and I know.
What's up? Hello mga mamushies and popshies. Ayun na, halatang-halata yung sunset. Today is another day. Today is Thursday. And as you can see, maaraw. So alam nyo na, ang gig ng Pamilya Banasihan. It's fishing day!
Budol time daw.
Samahan nyo kami! Pakita namin sa inyo kung gaano ka-sunny after all those rains. It's super green and it's sunny here in Fargo. Pero malamig pa rin pag may shade. Alright?
Done.
Okay.
Bouncy. Mom, open my shoe.
Let's go find the monster then. Let's see what's in there. Let's see what's in there. Oh. Check.
There's nothing in here. Wait, I found another crayon. I found another crayon.
Wow.
Let's pull that. Pull up, Mommy.
Not on your face.
Mom, no. No, Mommy.
Come here. Yan, dyan magfi-fishing si sir. I don't know. Kung may fish. Throw the ball! There, where we're going.
Ball is here.
See that? Wow. It's a mystery trail.
But Sipa, Mom, don't get there.
Good job.
Oh!
Not to the grass.
The grass, Mom, potatoes. Oh, there he is.
Tara na, honey. Come on. So nice.
Mom, it kicked the ball here.
It is called Wildflower Grove. Kasi yung isa kanina, yung pinasukan namin is the Oak Grove. So this is the Wildflower Grove. I wonder why there's a bridge here.
Mom, there's a hiding ball. The ball is here.
Nadadaanan pa ba to? Ah, it's a train track. Yeah.
Let me see. It's not...
Come on.
Oh, they're up there.
Look at that.
The train.
Buddy, graffiti.
In a picture.
It's not a picture, it's a graffiti. It's like random drawing on the wall. Come on.
What? There's another one. And
Nagagamit pa kaya to? Napagod, baby? Pagod ka? Kung naging negro ka na eh.
Daddy nga, sunog eh.
Mas maputi si daddy sa'yo. Lapit.
Balat sibuyas.
Ay, nag-walking kasi, good job. Nag-play pa ng ball. Laki ng pinayat niyan. Huwag mo kagatin sa unicorn.
Ah!
Masisira. Aba? Another day, another vlog. Hi guys! Hulaan nyo kung saan kami pupunta. Of course! Mangingisda na naman ang aking fisherman husband. Sana po ay makahuli na siya this time. At talagang malaki-laki na naipuhunan ng manager. Nga to tay. Ano nga? Mag-iihaw din kami ng banana and shrimps. No, problema na asawa ko. Mataas pa doon tubig. So, hindi mo maganda yun kung mataas ang tubig.
Hindi.
Mas maraming fish.
Madaming tubig.
It's muddy. Oh. Lakad, lakad, lakad. Lakad ka sa leaves. Ayan. Support kayo po natin yung mga tinanong. Come on. Grabe. Maputik pa. Wow. Nice.
how?
Look at that.
How this way? Mom, come on.
Come on.
There's Daddy on it.
Can you run there to Daddy? Come on. Do you know where Daddy went?
Come on.
Ito na yung asawa ko. Sus, magsik po tayo pa na nagmita na.
Dad!
Huwag maingay.
Mom, chair, please.
Wow.
go. Mom, what? That's mine.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, come on, let's do it. Mom, let's... You step to the grass, Mom. Step the grass. Daddy here.
No.
There's no daddy. What the?
Gusto mo ganito kalit lang.
Pinky.
Ayan na yung fish! Oh, ang galing ni Daddy! Woohoo! Nakahuli din! Ang smile lang ang mahal ko. Oh, dali picture mo na.
Kandule.
Taas mo. Ano yan? Hito?
Kandule.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Nasaan na yun? May buha pa ito.
Ito na mahal.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my God!
Wow!
Ang laki!
Ang laki.
Come on, huwag kang bibitaw. Mahal. Mahal. Kaya mo yan. Anak, yung ice mo dito ka sa likod ni Mami. Mahal. Go get that fish. Wow. Ang laki. Ganun mo, itaas mo, mahal.
Teka lang, baby, wait lang.
Wow.
Yes, sir!
We
Ang
touch
laki.
a metal train. Oh, that is my face!
Wala, naglalakad siya.
The deer.
Nawala na yung isa. Nasaan na yung isa?
There's a deer trapped inside.
After fishing, luto na.
Mom.
Pag usok naman yun eh, Kasi wag mo nga hawakan yan, puto lang.
Hindi kita, Mami. Oh, look. Papakita natin yung ano. Pinapon na kami dito. Pero nakatatlong catch naman si Sir.